In today's video, I'm going to show you how to use Chrome Remote Desktop in Windows step by step so you can access your computer remotely from anywhere with ease. This is a super useful tool if you want to help someone troubleshoot, work from another location, or simply connect to your Windows PC when you're away. And before we jump in, if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy tech tutorials just like this. Alright, let's get started. First, open Google Chrome on your Windows computer. Chrome Remote Desktop works through the browser, so starting in Chrome is the easiest way to begin. Make sure you're signed into the Google account you want to use for remote access, because this account will be linked to your device setup. Next, in the address bar, go to remotedesktop.google.com. This will take you to the official Chrome Remote Desktop page. Once the page loads, look for the Remote Access section and click on it. This is where you'll begin setting up your computer so it can be reached remotely. After that, you'll see a download button. Click it to continue. Chrome may prompt you to install the Chrome Remote Desktop extension or connect it to your browser. This is a normal part of the setup, and it's required so the service can run properly. Now click Add to Chrome. A confirmation window should appear asking you to approve the extension installation. Click Add Extension to complete the process. The Chrome Remote Desktop extension will install automatically, and once it finishes, you'll be ready for the next step. Now go back to the Chrome Remote Desktop page. If it doesn't refresh right away, just wait a moment or reload the page. Once you're back on the setup screen, choose a computer name. This name is what you'll use to identify this PC later when you connect from another device, so pick something simple and easy to remember. After entering the computer name, click Next. Chrome Remote Desktop will now ask you to create a secure PIN. This PIN is very important because it protects your computer from unauthorized access. Enter a PIN with at least 6 numbers, then re-enter it to confirm. Make sure it's something you can remember, but not too easy for someone else to guess. Once your PIN is confirmed, click Start. At this point, your Windows PC is now ready for remote access. That means you can connect to it later from another computer, laptop, or supported device using the same Google account and your PIN. If you want to use Chrome Remote Desktop in the future, all you need to do is visit the same website, sign in with your account, and select your computer from the list. Then enter your PIN and you'll be connected. It's a simple and convenient way to work remotely, access files, or support another device without being physically there. And that's it. You've successfully set up Chrome Remote Desktop in Windows. If this guide helped, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more practical tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.